guys, this is Nina and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I will show you my makeup tutorial on this BYS Berries eyeshadow palette. So, actually dapat ito New Year's Eve makeup tutorial to, pero I'm not sure if I'd be able to upload this on New Year. So, siguro gagawin ko na lang siyang berries tutorial. So, if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so this will be the first time that I will be using this Berries eyeshadow palette. This is from BYS. I received this as a Christmas gift. Oh, love, thank you for giving me this eyeshadow palette.
Shucks, yung nail polish ka! Nasira! Oh my gosh.
Ayaw magpa-open. So we have 12 shades. Yan. And then, it comes in this parang siyang tin can. Alam mo yung mga pencil case ng bata, di ba? Parang yan. Ah! Oh, yan yung itsura niya. So nice. Ganda. Yan. So, meron siyang dalawang brush dito na maliit.
Kaso parang lang siya, but I color niya. So, ngayon na siya salamin.
And ganito lang siya kapag naka-close siya. So, para lang talaga siyang pencil case. Tapos sa likod, nakalagay din yung mga shades.
Peachy. And then Radiance. Oh my gosh, nalaglag. Glow. Toffee. Sundown. Majestic. Royalty. Cherry Bomb. Oh my gosh. Ano to? Juliet. Muna si Romeo. Charot. Berry Haze. Ano to? Antique and Shaded. So these are all the shades.
So, I will start with the shade Toffee as my transition shade. Ia-apply ko lang siya sa lids ko and I will just blend it out. So, light lang yung pagkakalagay natin. And just blend it. Next will be Majestic. A bit warmer compared to Toffee, pero I will just put it on top of my transition shade and I'm just going to blend it in. And then next will be Royalty. Medyo reddish na shade na siya. And I will just focus on the outer crease. And I'm just blending it out para magmukha siyang cat eye. And just blend, blend, blend. And then next will be Antique. So using a pencil brush, I will just make an illusion of a crease because I have hooded eyes. So, nagfo-focus lang ako sa my outer area. And then, mas dinidefine ko lang yung shape niya. And blend it in. And then, using a clean brush, ibe-blend ko lahat ng nilagay ko sa aking eyelids para hindi siya masyadong harsh. And then next will be Cherry Bomb. So I will just put it on top, on my lids. And then, blend in ko lang siya. And then, again, using the clean brush that I was using, I'm just going to blend everything. para hindi super harsh. And then, using shaded color, I will just add on my crease para mas magmukha siyang may crease talaga. And then, just blend it all. Blend lang. And then, using a flat brush, I will apply cherry bomb on just below my lower lash line. And then, the shaded one, again, just where I put the cherry bomb. And then, smoke it out para hindi siya masyadong harsh. And then, the shade Radiance, I will apply it just on top kasi feeling ko super matte na nung eyeshadow ko. So, I want a bit shimmer on it. And then, I will just blend it in. Yan, blend lang natin siya. And then, the same shade, which is Radiance, I will apply it on my tear duct area para mas mag-brighten up yung eyes. And then, I will just highlight my brow bones. Brighten up yung eyes. And then, I will just highlight my brow bones. Brighten up yung eyes. And then, I will just highlight my brow bones.